So we start off today's video with a major big chop transformation. So there is the hair that hits the floor and bam, beautiful choppy pixie style. Love how she embraced her salt and pepper hair coloring. So pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some trending hairstyles, options, and ideas that you can play around with. Here we have a gorgeous bob haircut. She started off with long wavy hair and decided to switch it up with this gorgeous bob. Nice, classic, simple, and effortless chic haircut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we once again see someone with long hair. So the stylist is doing more of like a layered haircut for this one. Gorgeous, lots of volume added within this cut. Beautiful shape and texture overall. She also has a little bit of sombre, that's soft ombre with the hair coloring. Very pretty. So then we move on to something a little bit more dramatic. Very nice Pixie undercut transformation. I love the way that this looks with her natural gray color. So pretty. And then we have another undercut pixie style. Oh, so he actually ended up doing like a classic pixie. This is gorgeous. Love the way that the highlights mixed in with the color. Very nice. And then we have a really kind of rounded haircut shape. I'm not even sure what you would classify this style, to be honest. It's such a unique shape. And then we move on to an undercut featuring blue. This is so gorgeous. Loving this blue shade. So bold and vibrant. If you guys do know the name of that previous haircut, let me know because I'm very curious as to what that shape would be called. Maybe a bowl shape, I'm not sure. So here we have more of like a wolf cut style. Lots of texture and volume within this cut. And this is a great hairstyling option if you are looking to add some texture to your strands. And then we have this gorgeous blunt bob with some bangs. Followed by this blonde and blue colored bob haircut. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that she's rocking a pop of blue, especially as an older woman. Such a fun hairstyle. And then we have this chic little bob haircut featuring some tousled waves, center part down the middle. So there the stylist is cutting the hair into the bob. And bam, added in the waves. And then we have a nice pixie bob haircut or longer pixie style, depending on how you want to look at it. Yeah, now that I see the back, I would say that this is definitely more of like a longer pixie. But this particular cut is definitely more like a pixie bob. It also features some bangs in the front. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.